On a nearly rectangular plot with a slight curve at the rear, Casa HNN capitalizes on the sloped contours that slope down from the street to the rear garden. This drop is utilized to create two distinct platforms, one level with the street and the other half a level lower. These platforms then form the basis for two separate building masses, connected by a central courtyard with stairs and a seemingly floating walkway. Entering the ground floor, the house welcomes you with a warm entrance, a clean foyer, and parking for 4 cars. From here, half a floor below opens the main area of the house, a spacious, bright, and characterful social space. Here, an intimate and flexible study can be used as an additional bedroom. But the dramatic centerpiece lies in the living and dining room, a large area crossed by a bridge and open in 2 directions, to an indoor terrace that can be fully integrated with the outdoor space, and to the rear garden that showcases the treetops and panoramic views of the small town of Zapopan. Still on the same floor, the kitchen is designed as a living space that opens onto a green terrace at the corner of the building. This column-free corner emphasizes the kitchen's connection to the garden, offering the most expansive perspective of the grounds. Below the kitchen and terrace area, a guest bathroom is gently connected by a descending staircase to the service area on the west side, creating a smooth transition between the public space and the home's workspace. To ensure efficient circulation, the house features a second, more private staircase. This staircase allows each resident to move independently through a quieter path, connecting the service area below the garage, the kitchen, the service room, and the bedrooms above. This dual circulation provides flexibility while maintaining a cohesive spatial rhythm. The upper floor is divided into 2.5 levels, housing the bedrooms. On one level, the master bedroom cantilevered over the floor, offering the most dramatic views of the small town's hills. On the same level, there is an additional bedroom. Half a floor above, 2 other bedrooms face south and the street, while the hallway is protected by louvers that maintain privacy while maintaining a visual connection to the central terrace. There is also a family room with folding windows that frame the 2-story entrance. The materials used enhance the home's character: hand-cut quarried stone walls, sturdy exposed concrete, and warm parota wood dominate the interior elements. The staircases are crafted from soft oak pieces, while the metal elements and pipes appear in dark gray tones. While the exterior is lighter, the interior plays with soft, calming variations of warm gray. Every component of the house was designed with specific intent, from the solid bridge leading to the living room, to the light glass staircase, to the large parota wall that serves as a natural accent. Even furniture such as bookshelves, dressers, and dining tables were custom-made for each space, unifying the entire ensemble with a consistent design language. Outside, the gardens are designed to celebrate the ancient trees while being enriched by new vegetation carefully selected and arranged, creating a mature and harmonious landscape. Casa HNN is not simply a house with a strong play of levels and materials, but a work of architecture that grows from a sensitivity to the sight, light, and the lives of its inhabitants. Each space is designed to change, breathe, and resonate with daily rhythms, while the relationship between the interior, the garden, and the city feels organic. This home is a testament to how an honest approach to architecture, through open spaces, handcrafted details, and a carefully maintained landscape, can produce a warm, functional, and characterful residence.